Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe, and I hope you all are attending our classes regularly. So, I am with you, Mahim Sultana, Assistant Teacher English, Government Laboratory High School, Rajshahi, and this is our English grammar class, that is English second paper class of class 6. Here are some pictures. Now can we speak what are the pictures about? The cow lives on grass, the sun rises in the east, they go to school every day. So can you tell what kind of sentence are those? What kind of sentences are those? And I hope you could remember that our previous session was on tense, and this is our another session on tense. So can you guess what kind of tense are those? Yes, they are present indefinite tense. And present indefinite tense denotes habitual fact, universal truth, daily events, etc. So our today's lesson is present indefinite tense. I hope you could remember that there are 4 kinds of present tense, and such as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. And today we will learn about present indefinite tense elaborately. And after completing today's class, you will be able to achieve all of the ins and outs about tense, and you will be able to what is present indefinite tense. You will be able to know or write about the definition and structure, and overall all the ins and outs of present indefinite tense. Now there are some pictures, and can anyone tell the definition of present indefinite tense? Yes, this is the definition. Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time of habitual event, universal truth, historical events, and near future. So remember these 4 things, that are habitual event, universal truth, historical events, and near future. This indicates present indefinite tense. If you get this kind of events or these events in any sentence, then you can understand that the tense is present indefinite tense. Now the structure of present indefinite tense, you know that there are 3 kinds of sentence that present indefinite tense may have, that are affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So in affirmative, the structure is subject plus verb plus object, and in negative the structure is subject plus do not or does not plus verb plus object, and in interrogative do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus note of interrogation. Or another thing, in the case of negative interrogative, do not or does not plus subject plus verb plus object plus note of interrogation. So these are the structure you may need to make present indefinite tense or the sentences on present indefinite tense. So remember and try to understand the structure very carefully. Or here is another noticeable thing, that if the subject is third person singular number, then s or es will be add with principal verb. Now if in the sentence there is everybody, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, generally, the sentence will be present indefinite tense. If you get these words in a sentence, then you can consider the tense as present indefinite tense. So memorize the words very carefully. For example, mother reads the Holy Quran. Regularly I pay my mother reads the Holy Quran every day. Regularly I pay my tuition fees, etc. These are all present indefinite tense. Now here is a task for you. Do it now. This is a fill in the gaps, and here are some clues given for you. Okay, I am sharing the answers with you. So these are the answers. We go to school every day, but Rana does not go to school every day. He plays football with his friends. Do you go to school every day? What class does he read in? Rahat lives in Dhaka with his family. Do you love your school? Sabina sings a song. The sun rises in the east. A good teacher makes his class interesting. Here is another task for you. Write 3 sentences, affirmative, negative and interrogative, about the picture according to the rules of present indefinite tense. That means you have to write 3 sentences, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative, and you have to maintain the rules of present indefinite tense. Now do it using this picture. And here is homework for you. Write down 5 sentences that you and your sister do at your home using present indefinite tense. So this is your homework. And now this is the last moment of our today's class. So I hope you understood the subject matter and discussion on present indefinite tense. Complete the tasks and submit it to me on the comment box. And if you get any difficulty, please tell me and I will discuss it on our next class. So that's all for today. Everybody stay safe, stay good, maintain the rules of health. No more today. Allah Hafiz.